Ladies and gentlemen, today I will have some short review about my personal car, which I drive for more than 10 years. That's Honda Accord from year 1993. Here is how it sounds. This one is converted to LPG. Here is the interior, as you can see. Here I have some junks. Here we have rain, in the rain which is here. I have clock, I have air freshener. This is my phone holder, this is my tablet holder, this is my TPMS sensor. I have heated mirrors. This is 2.0 petrol engine. I have very good moments with this car. It's my first car. Let me show you how it looks like, the interior inside. Here it is, how it looks like inside. This is the daytime running lights. It also have xenon and also have halogen bulbs. Here it rains, unfortunately. Here is the third brake spoiler, additional purchase by me. I just sold the car today. Here I have accidents from people who are hit me because they are stupid or lost. Stupid people. But here I have Bridgestone tires with my secrets. I really like the car, the shape. Let me show you the trunk and the engine bay. We go to the trunk. I have LPG tank which is inside down here. This is the trunk. It's spacious, as you can see. Here we have the antenna, and here is the engine bay. Brand new AGM Panasonic car battery, brand new starter, alternator, alarm, xenon, pumps, engine bay, LPG from BRC, many other improvements here. So I really like the car, but unfortunately time to move on. I have second car which is same like this, but it's the facelifted version and it's more powerful. So some of the spirit in this car will live in my next car. Not sure if you can see it. So for more than 10 years I drive this car. I have a lot of good memories, good moments with amazing people. Some of them are alive, some of them are not. So this is the rear seats, as you can see. What else interesting? I buy separated driver's seat to have more options. As you can see, it have all 4 mirrors. Here we have walnut trim on the dashboard. So if you need long-term reliable Japanese car, this is it. Honda Accord, 5th generation, made between year 1993 and facelifted in 1995 or 96 until 1998. It also have this plastic thing to protect your bumpers. And here we also have these plastic things. So the car is amazing, look good, drive great, and it's a sad to see you go, but this is it. I will probably invest the money either in stock market or I will see what I will buy. Thank you for watching, and if you like my videos, keep watching and sharing and subscribe.